So let's look at how our oscillating controls control the oscillation motion of the power top hand unit. This box contains the potentiometers and the start-stop switch for the oscillator. Here on top is where you start and stop. The speed pot right here, the width pot right here, and your pause pot right here. We control speed from 0 to 60 inches a minute. We control the width from 0 to 1 inch 200 wide. And we have a pause or a dwell at each side of your weld from 0 to 1 second. So just an illustration, turn it on. The speed, I'll turn it all the way up to the top. You can control it as I'm slowing it way down. Did not take it all the way to the bottom, but basically there. The width, you can take the width down to 0. And then we can take it all the way up to the 1 inch 200. And then the pause, we'll take the pause out. And notice it looked like it sped up. I didn't adjust the speed at all. It's going the same speed. That's just how much of a difference that the pause puts in there, because I can take it all the way to 1 second right now. And it's stopping for 1 second on each side of that weld so you can run your root passes. So that's the controls for the oscillating head. They're really simple to make. It's an important part of the oscillation is once you find it for, say, let's say it was a 8-inch schedule 40 piece of pipe, and you find your speed, your width, and your pause settings to go along with your welder settings and your pinwheel or positioner setting. Once you find that, you can go back to it 6 months later, and it'll weld with the exact same parameter. You know, look the same, function the same, everything will be the same. So that is the oscillation controls for our top hand welding manipulator.